An open house will be held at the Broken Bow Public Library Wednesday, May 30th from 5 until 7 p.m. to showcase the Library Innovation Studio Makerspace. All are invited to stop by the library for live demonstrations of the equipment and see what you can make on each machine. Sign-up sheets for future trainings on the machines will also be available. Age limits do apply. The Makerspace equipment consists of a heat press printer, embroidery sewing machine, laser cutter, 3D printer, vinyl printer, CNC router, music recording kit, camera, video with green screen, laminator, button maker, and much more. Last August, the library was notified by the Nebraska Library Commission that Broken Bow would be one of the first 13 libraries to host the Innovation Studio project, also known as Makerspace. The project is a collaborative effort between the Library Commission, UNL Extension, UNL Nebraska Innovation Studio, and Regional Library Systems, and is funded by a $530,732 grant from the Institute of Museum and Library Services. Equipment was installed April 24th, and numerous hours were spent training staff and volunteers. The Makerspace will be at the Broken Bow Library through September 7th. Assistant Library Director Megan Swoboda and intern Brenna Slagle said Wednesday's open house is a chance for people to see the possibilities available to them for making gifts and keepsakes for friends or family.
It's kind of the show and tell and a big opening to let everyone see the exciting new tools and fun things we have here at the library for them to try out.
It's just a great opportunity. It's a lot of equipment that a lot of people don't have readily available to them, so it's a nice chance to come in and try it out for not very much money.
The Makerspace will be used to support community engagement and participatory learning experiences by providing access to technological and innovation learning tools that might not be readily accessible. Library Innovation Studios project manager Joanne McManus said it's free to use the machines and consumable materials are also available for purchase.
It's totally free to use the equipment. We want to make it easy for people to make, so we do have consumables here that if they want to buy a t-shirt or a piece of wood or a glass that they can engrave or a mouse pad that they can heat press on, we have that here for a nominal fee, but they don't have to buy it here. They can bring in their own consumables.
Small rural communities can sign up until July to bring the Makerspace to their area. The project is expected to stimulate creativity, innovation, and the exchange of ideas to facilitate entrepreneurship, skills development, and local economic development.
I think, the biggest benefit is the potential for maybe starting a business. Also, communities experience what a makerspace can do for their community.
Plan to stop by the open house on Wednesday from 5 until 7 p.m. and experience what the Library Innovation Studio has to offer. For KCNI KBBN in Broken Bow, I'm Dave Burney reporting.